I have some goodies from Rare Beauty, and I wanted to use them with you guys on a video and show you guys and see what I like and I don't like. So I'm gonna try to do a full face featuring Rare Beauty because I received a lot of goodies from them. I don't have a concealer, but I do have a foundation. So I received the foundation, which is the True to Myself Natural Matte Longwear Foundation. I already tested it out. The color is not my color. It's a little bit off, but I'll still test it out on camera for you guys. The sponge, love the Beauty Blender, so big. Oh, lost my light. It's so freaking big. So it's called the Soft Touch Makeup Blending Sponge. And then the Soft Pink Blush. The blush, I'm excited to try. And then the Brow Harmony Flexible Lighting Gel. Sorry, Lifting Gel. Then we have their mascara, which I love, and also this new lippy, which is a soft pinch tinted lip oil. And I'm gonna be using all these products, plus I have more goodies over here. Let me put this away. I have more goodies in this bag as well that they sent a while ago, which it has their eyeshadow palette. I already have featured this on a lot of videos, but the colors are just gorgeous. And then other stuff. So let's jump right into this tutorial. So I'm gonna be applying the Brow Harmony Lifting Gel. And let me tell you guys, I really wanna try the one that is tinted. I just wanna try that one. Ooh, by just applying it that fast. But look at that, if I were to leave it like that, which I wouldn't, look at that, that works really good. So from here, I just like to take a foundation concealer brush, I want to say, a flat shader brush, and just clean that area, bringing the hairs down. And I love that it doesn't dry that fast. I still have some time. So right here, I always like to go in with a spoolie and just brush it up again so it doesn't have any product, you know. And then again, I brush it, but so far, I am loving this product. Ooh, and it's still nice to be able to clean. So far, the brow product, it is really good. Really love it. So I'm gonna fill them in for you guys and then come back and show you guys the rest. So I decided not to fill in my brows because I'm like, hey, they're growing. They're kind of growing. So I'm just gonna apply some concealer on my eyes. You guys know the drill. Oh, putting some concealer. So what I'm trying to do, what do you guys think? I want to be able to do, if you guys can help me out. Where's my brushes? I want to be able to create YouTube videos, but at the same time create a short video. So I'm just probably going to show you guys the face, or maybe just one eye, and then I'll show you guys another eye without having like the step-by-step on shorts. I feel like that's good, right? We'll still see the eye, and if you guys want to see like how to do it, you just come to my full YouTube video. I think that's a pretty good one. And now I'm gonna apply tape on the corner. For the eyeshadow palette, I have been loving this. I love everything about this palette. It is pigmented. The colors are just like for your everyday, for your going out. And I love the way that it has like the names on the back. So cute. So I'm just going to create maybe a little smoky eye. I have no clue, to be honest. This shouldn't be like a rant video, but it might turn into that. I haven't been creating because, as you guys know, I got a work from home job. Girl, I quit. That thing was just too much. I will let you guys know in another video, but I'm going to be applying this brown, and I'm going to apply it all over the crease to blend in the concealer. So I'm just going to apply it in swiping motions back and forth, and about time my lashes are growing. And I've been using the Grande Lashes serum. Pretty transition, hopefully you guys can see that. With the same brush, I'm going to grab this darker shade. I'm going to focus that on the outer edge and bringing whatever's left on the inner corner. Bring it inwards and outwards. After this, when you have it nice and blend, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer. So we're just gonna cut the crease today. We're gonna cut the crease because I haven't cut the crease in a while. We're gonna put some concealer, and the concealer that I've been using is the one by Nude Sticks. And then I'm going to clean it out. Look at how gorgeous this crease. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I cannot monitor you guys. I'm recording again in my extra camera, which I've been neglecting it. All right, so I'm going to use now Pastel, which is this one right here, just a really light shade. And I'm going to use a fluffy brush for that. I'm going to grab that fluffy brush and then apply it just to set that shade. These colors are just so pretty. When I first got Selena's product, I'm like, oh my gosh, like how do they know? How did they know who I am? It's crazy how things work. Reapplying that shade that I first had, the maroon mood. Now, grabbing Evening Espresso, this dark brown. I'm gonna grab a eyeliner brush. I'm gonna go with this thin one right here. And then I'm just gonna create a eyeliner. I've been trying to get lots of UGC deals. I've been trying to get UGC deals. If you guys are into that, let me know. What are you doing to get them and where are you applying? I'm just gonna take this off. I mean, it worked. From right here, you can just leave it like that to be plain, or you can add a little bit of shimmer. I don't feel like adding shimmer, girl. I don't feel this glamorous. So I'm just going to apply the brown shade. I don't even know if I should do the maroon one. Let me do a little bit of this maroon. Now oh my gosh, I should have used the eyeliner. I'm just talking away. So let me just use it on top. You know, it's okay. Let me use, and I love how these ones are different. I don't know what's the difference, but this one's a black and this one's a brown, but they are like different size, but they are so precise. Let's just put that on the top. But just look how it glides. It just glides so nicely. It's so thin. Look at that. That was so easy. Try to use this on the bottom lash line. So this one is the Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner in brown. Going to apply a couple coats of their Universal Volumizing Mascara. Really love the one. And like I told you guys, my lashes are finally growing. Wow, I didn't have any lashes right there. And now they're there. Oh my gosh. That was like in a week. And this one is the one I'm using. The Grande Lashes MD Lash Enhancing Serum. Do your research because it does have a lot of backlash and it has a lot of good reviews. So I'm like, I haven't seen anything bad, so I've been using it for maybe 2 months already. Now, I like to apply my bottom mascara when I am done with the face, so let's move on to the foundation, you guys, since I don't have anything else from her for the base. So for the foundation, I received the 16, and I feel like it's dark for me, but we're gonna just make it work here on the video. I love the packaging. First of all, I love that it has a locked and unlock button on the back. The packaging is just so freaking nice. So it says that I'm 16. And they did send out a sponge, which I already tried it with the sponge. I don't think I filmed myself, but I don't like using foundations and a sponge. I don't. So I'm gonna use my favorite brush of all, the It Cosmetics. It's all beaten because my dog got it. I just love to use this brush. And it is a little on the dark side for me. What do you guys think? It does not match my neck. I'm gonna apply it here on video for you guys. I'm just going to apply a little bit because I do feel that it's on the thick side for me. It does cover it beautifully. What do you guys think? Does it go with me? I don't know. I feel like now it does. What the heck? Maybe I did get a little bit darker. I was outside for a bit. Applying some concealer, something lighter just to brighten up this area. But the foundation, I mean, it is a little bit on the thicker side for me. But I'm sure you can put a little bit of foundation, a little bit of lotion and make it lighter. Okay, see, I mean, you see what I mean about feeling heavy? It's starting to look cakey in my forehead. So I'm just gonna spray my face with this, it's not the Pixie spray. I put something else in there, another spray. And then I'm gonna use that brush and then I'm gonna just try to bring it back to life. It could be that my skincare is not good or it's just the foundation. But It's not looking cakey, only up here. So I'm going to use the soft pink blush in Happy. Love this packaging, it's so cute. No scent, or no scent. This is on the pigmented side. Shoot. You know what? I usually do it twice, but this time I'm just gonna, whatever I have right here, because it is on the pigmented side, I'm gonna blend it and apply it here too. I hope this video comes out good, girl, because it's been 4 months that I haven't filmed a full YouTube video. That looks so pretty. I wish I had like the contour one. I'm gonna contour with my regular. And for that, I'm gonna be using my Hoola one, which is the cream contour. And if you guys are wondering why I don't have one eye done, it's because I'm gonna film it in a short form. Then I like to use my foundation brush and just blend everything. I'm gonna go film this eye for you guys and I'll be back. Okay guys, I have both of my eyes done already, but I'm starting to feel cakey and I hate this feeling. You know, like when you are done having makeup on, that's how I'm feeling, and it hasn't even been an hour. So I'm just going to pat this. I don't know if this is gonna help, but I don't like that feeling. I'm gonna set my foundation with a little bit of a loose powder because I am going to go to the store and it's so hot here in Arizona. So I'm just gonna set it with a puffer, apply it all over. Read that she used this foundation on her wedding day. I haven't read so much about the foundation, so I will probably do that in a full tutorial review, but you guys are getting it right now. You guys are getting it. I'm gonna apply my Hoola bronzer by Benefit all over. I really wish this was like a full-on tutorial using Rare Beauty, but I don't have a bronzer and I don't have a concealer. Okay, now this is the time I like to apply a mascara on the bottom lashes. It's so good. The lips, moving on to the lips, this is their Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil. I love me lip tinted oils, and I feel like this is like a perfect color for a going out color. So let's see how it looks. It looks like an everyday color. Scent. I love the applicator, and it doesn't get as pigmented. It looks really natural. I'm gonna apply a lip liner because I couldn't find my Rare Beauty lip liner. This kind of matches it. And this one is by Makeup Forever in N14. It matches it so good. I mean, you can tell I love it because look, it's so little. This eyeliner, it is just perfect for the inner corners. Just look at that, so precise. And I feel like this eye is more cakey than this one. This one just looks natural and nice, but I did go heavy on the concealer for this one. But that's okay. I am using it on my bottom waterline, and it doesn't burn my eyes. So try it and let me know what you guys think. But this is pretty much the look. Here we have the completed look. I love it. It looks like an everyday makeup look, a glam makeup look. I really love it. I just don't know how I'm feeling about the foundation. So I'm gonna take this clips that I'm gonna do after this. I'm gonna go to the store and I'm just gonna go on with my day and test out the foundation for you guys, see how it wears out. It's 308 right now, and it is how much? I mean, how bad it is outside. 104 outside, and I do have to go to the store to prep dinner for tonight. But this is the look. Love it. I do have more eyeshadow tutorials, and I'll link down below for you guys using this palette. I'm sorry this video was all over the place, but I am not ready. It's been 4 months that I haven't filmed a full YouTube video for you guys, but I hope you guys love this look in this video. Please give me a thumbs up, support, please. I really want to grow this channel this year, the end of this year. I really want to grow it, keep growing it, because I just can't delete it. It's just, I just need to grow it. I have to keep watering it, you know? So I just need your guys' help to leave me comments, suggestions, thumbs it up, share it. Let me know you guys are alive, because there's subscribers on here, but there's like crickets on here, you know? So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
Fantastic.